Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we embark on a journey of enlightenment as we dive into the profound and timeless wisdom of one of the greatest philosophical minds of the 20th century, Alan Watts. Prepare yourself for a captivating exploration of Alan Watts Taoist Wisdom. Alan Watts, a British-American philosopher, writer, and speaker, was renowned for his deep understanding and interpretation of Eastern philosophies, particularly Taoism. Throughout his life, he delved into the teachings of ancient sages and bridged the gap between Eastern and Western thoughts, inspiring countless individuals to seek meaning and purpose in their lives. Born in 1915 in England, Alan Watts embarked on an incredible intellectual journey that led him to explore various spiritual traditions, including Zen Buddhism, Hinduism, and Taoism. His eloquent and relatable manner of speaking made complex philosophical concepts accessible to people from all walks of life. So, what exactly is Taoist wisdom, and how can it impact our lives today? At its core, Taoism embraces the principle of living in harmony with the Tao, the fundamental force that underlies and unifies all existence. It emphasizes the importance of surrendering to the natural flow of life, rather than resisting it. Much like a river flowing effortlessly, Taoist wisdom teaches us to let go of rigid control and allow life to unfold organically. It reminds us that true strength lies in flexibility, and in yielding to the ever-changing currents of existence. Let's explore some key teachings of Alan Watts' Taoist wisdom that resonate with us even in the fast-paced modern world. 1. Embracing the present moment. Alan Watts encourages us to be fully present in every moment, as the present is all we truly have. By letting go of worries about the future or regrets about the past, we can find peace and fulfillment right here, right now. 2. Finding balance in opposites. Taoism teaches us to recognize the interconnectedness of opposing forces. Like the yin-yang symbol, life is a delicate balance of light and dark, joy and sorrow. Embracing both sides allows us to find harmony and wholeness. 3. Living authentically. Alan Watts reminds us to live authentically, just as nature does. Trees don't strive to be like other trees, they simply grow naturally. Similarly, when we embrace our true selves without trying to conform to societal expectations, we find genuine happiness. Personally, I've found immense inspiration in Alan Watts' teachings. His profound insights have helped me navigate the complexities of life with a sense of calm and acceptance. I invite you all to open your hearts and minds to the wisdom of Taoism and experience its transformative power. As we conclude this journey into Alan Watts' Taoist wisdom, I hope you feel motivated to explore further and integrate these timeless teachings into your own life. Let's all strive to embrace the Tao, be present, find balance, and live authentically. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom, and may the path of Tao guide you towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life.